The parable of the sheep and the goats. A final judgment and a striking conclusion. But one key phrase in that passage may not mean what it's often assumed to mean. In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 25, Jesus describes a separation, the sheep and the goats. One group welcomed, the other turned away. And the passage ends with a phrase that has shaped belief for centuries: eternal punishment. In the original Greek, that phrase is Aionios Kolasis, two words that carry a wider range of meaning than the English translation suggests. The word Aionios comes from aion, meaning age, a span of time, an era. It can describe something lasting or enduring, but it does not, by itself, define infinite duration. The word kolasis is usually translated as punishment, but in Greek usage, it is often associated with corrective discipline, a form of restraint or correction, not only retribution. Jesus was speaking to his disciples within a Jewish setting where ideas of time and judgment were often understood in terms of ages, purpose, and restoration, not only punishment as an end in itself. So when this parable concludes with Aionios Kolasis, the meaning is not as narrow as the English phrase eternal punishment might suggest. And the sheep and the goats may not be as final as they're often understood.